Hey everyone, it's Mr. Canfield. We've got a couple from 2-2 to look at today, and then there's a small assignment to go with it. So, number 4 says, rewrite the point-slope form of the equation y minus 725 equals 12 times x minus 50 in slope-intercept form. What does the y-intercept represent in terms of the situation? So this is talking about the word problem from before, but the main thing that I want to talk about is rewriting this in slope-intercept form. All right. So if I look at this, there's some steps to converting this to turn it into slope-intercept form. Basically what we're going to do is we're going to take this and we're going to solve it for y. We're going to try to get y by itself. And you might notice the only thing on the same side as y is the 725. Excuse me. I'm going to do one thing before I deal with that. And what I'm going to do is take this 12 and distribute it in that parentheses there. So when I do that, 12 times x is 12x, then minus 50, I do 12 times minus 50, and that's going to give me minus 600, if I remember correctly, because 12 times 5 is 6, tack an extra 0, or 12 times 5 is 60, tack an extra 0, you get 600. So now I have y minus 725 is equal to 12x minus 600. Now I just add the 725 to both sides. So now I get y is equal to 12x negative 600 plus 725. That gives me plus 125. So now I've got a slope-intercept form equation. And so this is always going to be the way that we go back and forth. If we have a point-slope form, we distribute that and then we add or subtract that to both sides. So it'll always work like that. Let's talk about what these numbers are. 12, is that m or is that b? Ask yourself that question. And then is it the slope or is it the y-intercept? See if you know that. And, okay, cool. So this is our slope, 12 is our slope, it is m. 125 is b, it is our y-intercept. So then the other thing to look at is number 9. Number 9 will work the same way. Y minus 6 is equal to negative 5 parentheses x plus 1. So if I'm trying to do this one, well, I can take my negative 5 and distribute it here and get negative 5 times x is negative 5x. Then negative 5 times 1 is minus 5. Y minus 6. So if I want to get y by itself, I'll just add the 6 to both sides. I kind of glossed over this last time. Out of these two, I'm going to add the 6 to the one that is the same kind of terms. I need to add it to like terms. And so I have 5x and I have regular 5. I'm going to add it to regular 5 because it's a regular 6. When I do that, the negative 5x comes down, and negative 5 plus 6 is positive 1. And now we have this in slope-intercept form. Remember, if it has just a plain number and it's not a fraction for the slope, remember that means that it's actually over 1. So this slope would be negative 5 over 1. So I'm going to now switch over and go through the homework assignment for the rest of the video.